Kek Kukus is my mom's favorite cake. She would eat it even after Hari Raya, as the cake can be kept for 3 to 6 months long. Hello everyone, I'm Shartini. Today I will be sharing my mom's favorite Kek Kukus Prune with mixed nuts recipe. The original Kek Kukus recipes are filled with dry mixed fruits and nuts. I make it healthier by using my mom's favorite snack, Monte California Pitted Prunes. Its natural sweetness from the prunes enhances the fragrance of the cake, and it's high in dietary fiber and cholesterol-free, making it a healthier choice. Kek Kukus is one of the signature cakes for Hari Raya. It's a cake that most of the Muslim families will serve during open house. The taste and texture are similar to Christmas fruit cake, but it's steamed instead of baked, making the cake extra moist and soft with every bite. Kek Kukus in English is also known as steamed cake. Here's a tip. To ensure that the cake is fully cooked through, wrap an aluminium foil over the case. This will prevent the water from dripping into the cake. Do steam it for at least 2 hours. Here's a twist to my recipe. Cream cheese is one of my favorite frosting, and it goes extremely well with this cake. Sprinkle orange juice over it. Don't get too excited to serve it yet, because the taste will get richer and it will look shinier after keeping it for 3 days. Alright, it looks easy, isn't it? Presenting to you my new invention, Kek Kukus Prune with mixed nuts. It is a simple recipe that you can impress your family and friends with it. And here's wishing everyone Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri. Have an enjoyable celebration and a great time feasting.